This is the new Seafrog's RX1XX series salted line unit that comes in two colors, black and white. It is compatible with 5 camera models: Sony RX100 Mark 7, 6, 5, 4, and 3. Here is a demonstration of how each camera fits inside, as well as the operation of zoom. If you're familiar with Sony RX100 cameras, you will know that zooming to 70mm retracts the lens backwards on RX100 Mark 3, 4, and 5. However, Sony RX100 Mark 6 and 7 can zoom up to 200mm by extending the lens, and in our unit, you can use full focal length thread to attach wet lenses such as this close-up lens as shown in the video. Because Sony RX100 Mark 6 and 7 lens extends compared to RX100 Mark 5 that retracts, we designed a special macro port only suitable for this camera, that also has 67mm thread for wet lenses as shown in the video. Besides the macro port, we also have 6 and 8 inches dry dome ports for those who want to take above or under photos. 8-inch dome port is great for taking those sweet split photos, but it is more buoyant. So for scuba diving, we recommend using a 6-inch dry dome port, as it has less volume and will be easier to control. Our product can also be used for surfing photography by equipping 2-stage pistol grip accessory. Especially for surfing photography, the unit comes in white color. The white color will reflect most of the sunlight, allowing your camera to stay relatively cool. We believe the compact size of RX100 Mark 7 camera and ability to take incredible photos inside our unit will benefit all surfing photographers worldwide, not only for the size, but also for the quality of images the camera can deliver.